So Sakai and Alvaro are serving domestic bans, so Utah competing in Liga. Certainly Andre Villas-Boas has made it perfectly clear that they cannot allow themselves to their last Liga outing. They have a priority this season, which is to try and challenge. Difficult, can't it, in any season to try and get the balance right between your domestic response at the moment,
which might work for them.
Belcar
Suddenly hit them with a quick.
Lamino was one of those that fell victim to the early curtailment of the season.
I still find that a little. I think it was disappointing for a lot of clubs that they did that.
Well, Marseille were perhaps ones that benefited in terms of the second place finish. That it
3-0 midweek just showed us Porto have started off terribly in their league.
Changes from earlier on in the week. But this is his first opportunity from the start since the end of last
time.
Belcar making do ᖇᗩTA and Balerdi there.
Yeah.
The referee.
No.
Balerdi, who got his first Marseille goal in there.
He started his career in Portuguese, and he's
Balerdi turning away from the threat of Diallo before he fetched up in Liga with Marseille. Tumble involving Balerdi and Diallo.
Maybe they need to bring him on and get on the ball, make those passes. He's going to.
After the early curtailment of the season. They respond now to falling behind to a truly astonishing goal, both in its creation to be able to complete this one. Mehdi Chahiri,
second from bottom as Strasbourg are. They've shown a real willing.
The threshold, I guess, subconsciously perhaps is raised the minute. Well, Marseille win the game with a moment of